be specific to the question. Okay, so have a good eye contact whenever the interview panel are going to ask a question. The eye contact will bring more attention and it will satisfy their ego. If you are not going to see them, then do you think they are going to give marks? Never. It will hurt their self-respect. So eye contact is the most important criteria in interview. Okay, and you should be patient listener. You should listen what exactly they are asking. Okay, in the same way, right now I am going to do that. See here. Okay, which committee made a recommendation to establish RBI?
End committee, sir. Or it is also known as Royal Commission.
So when it was established, when it was nationalized?
It was established on 1935 and nationalized during 1949.
Okay. You have mentioned in UGC question paper, bankers of government. RBI is a bankers of government. Is it only for central government or state government?
Both central government and state government, sir.
What is the things it is going to do on behalf of the government?
Sir, it will issue the government securities on behalf of the government.
Good.
In order to raise the funds.
Good.
And another one thing is, in order to match the temporary mismatches, so it will provide ways and means advance.
What is ways and means?
So it will provide loans to the government.
Okay.
In order to temporary mismatches.
Okay.
If in case any kind of deficit, in order to fulfill the deficit, it will provide loans to the government, sir.
Okay. See, now India is undergoing fiscal deficit. Do you recommend to RBI to print more currency?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, printing more currency will lead to inflation, hyperinflation, sir.
Okay, good. So do you think RBI is going to give a loan to the Gram Panchayats?
No, sir. RBI doesn't, lend directly to Gram Panchayat, but Gram Panchayat can raise funds by issuing the bonds, sir.
Municipalities. Not Gram Panchayats, municipality. Tell me, any one bank, there is a one bank in India which speaks about agricultural development, rural development, self-help groups.
NABARD, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Monetary Policy Committee.
Yes, sir.
The aim, its working model, how many members, what's the duration? You tell me briefly.
Monetary Policy Committee, the main objective is to maintain the financial stability along with keeping the economic growth. Financial stability plus economic growth. So the governor of RBI is the chairman of the MPC, and 6 members will be there. 3 from the RBI and 3 will be nominated by central government.
Okay. Then what's the duration of these members?
Duration, I don't have idea.
4 years. Okay. State Bank of India. So tell me something about State Bank of India.
State Bank of India is the India's largest bank, and it is also categorized as domestically systematically important bank.
DSIPs. What is DSIPs?
So DSIPs are, if they fail, it will cause huge impact on the economy.
Okay.
Too big to fail.
Too big to fail. What is meaning of that? Too big to fail.
They undergo so many operations.
Okay.
They'll accept deposits, demand deposit and everything. So if they fail, it will cause huge impact on the economy. Or they are very much...
No, they interpret in other way. They are too much big, very unlikely to fail.
Okay, sir.
They are too much big, unlikely to fail. Tell me what are the DSIPs? Which are the banks that comes under DSIPs?
SBI, ICICI, HDFC Bank.
Okay. You have told ways and means. What is the interest rates of ways and means advance?
It is linked to repo rate, sir.
Repo rate. Okay. What is meaning by public sector bank?
A public sector bank is government owns greater than 51% percentage.
Okay. What is meaning of FSIB?
FSIB. So actually, they'll recommend the chairman and other public aids for the banks, public sector banks.
Head of the public sector banks.
Chairman.
Okay. Okay. So tell me, under which ministry FSIB comes? Under which ministry?
Ministry. FSIB.
Ministry of Finance. So it was replaced by, the
Bank
board bureau.
BPO.
Bank board bureau. Okay. So tell me about Indra Dhanush framework.
Sir, the Indra Dhanush framework is majorly used to revamping the public sector banks
Okay.
in order to maintain the NPA, non-performing assets, reduce that assets.
Why regional rural banks were established? On which committee recommendations?
Regional rural banks are recommended by Narasimhan Committee. They are established because to provide loans to the rural region areas.
Okay.
Like previously, they were not getting such kind of loan. They were not getting loans. So, in order to provide loans to unbanked areas also, specifically rural areas,
And agriculture. What exactly meaning of one state, one RRB?
One state, in one state, one RRB that will provide 75% of the lending to private sector lending.
That is the meaning of one RRB. Tell me, in Karnataka, which RRB is there? You are not aware. Being a IAS aspirant, you should know this.
Okay, sir.
So, Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank. See, previously there was many regional rural banks like Vikas Gramina Bank, Kaveri, Krishna Gramina Bank, such other banks are there. Now all regional rural banks are merged into the one bank. So that operation cost is going to be reduced and one policy, one state, one policy things will come. Very easy to operate. No interbank exchange, no interbank transfers, only one bank, right? Tell me the share components of the different entities in the RRBs.
Government, central government is 50%, commercial banks 35%, state government 15%.
So tell me the priority sector lending rate, right? How much for priority sector lending rate for regional rural banks?
75%.
Okay, 75% they have to give for what? For whom?
For agriculture, MSMEs, and weaker sections.
Okay. Tell me, priority sector lending rate, is there startup component? Is there in priority sector lending? Startup component.
Startup component. Is there, so that will come under MSMEs?
That's okay. The startup is a new component. MSMEs are there, but all startups are not MSMEs.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For example, ours is a startup, but ours is not MSME. Tell me whether startup is part of PSL, priority sector. You are not aware? It's a part of priority sector. That's what I'm telling you. Priority sector lending rate you should see from both static and current affairs angle.
Yes, sir.
You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Small finance bank. What is the meaning of why it is kept name small?
Sir, as compared to scheduled commercial banks, the operations that will undergo is very much small. Small in the sense because of the minimum paid capital should be 200 crore.
Okay, that's why they're small. No, their operations are small. So this small finance bank, how they are different from payment banks?
Do I need to classify the difference between both of them, sir?
Yes, yeah.
Payment banks, they'll accept only demand deposit till 2 lakh rupees. But then there is no restriction for small finance bank. Payment banks are not supposed to provide credit card and loans. But then small finance bank can operationalize similar to commercial bank. They can provide credit they can issue debit cards, everything. And payment bank are not supposed to accept NRI deposits,
Okay, good.
whereas small financial bank can accept it.
So first payment bank of India, first live payment bank.
It's
Bharti Airtel.
Bharti Airtel Payments Bank.
What is the priority sector lending rate for small finance bank?
It is also same, sir, 75%.
75%. So will they give credit and debit card in payment banks?
They'll issue debit card, not credit card.
Okay. What is the main purpose of payment bank?
The main purpose of the payment bank is to remittance, related to remittance, and to provide investment in mutual funds.
No. The name itself is payment. See, for those people who are still not touched by banking sector, they have to bring that section into the banking area. It's just a payment. It is not going to give any financial credits. That's why they have not given credit card, only debit card, right? Their aim is to bring institutionalize, formalize the banking system.
But then if they want to provide loans to the people, then how they'll work in that particular sector? So for
No, I am
example-
telling you, for example, these street vendors are there. Most of the street vendors are not have banking deposits, right?
Yes, sir.
They are targeting that section.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The name itself says payment. They are just taking amount and giving a payment. That's all. Okay. Good. Your notes is excellent. Cooperative banks.
Even I feel like my notes is kind of enriched, sir. It's
Yeah.
like complete of PYQs and only the related information that I require for exams.
That's how you have to write. This is the exam notes, not academic notes. You got my point? Okay, tell me about India's digital currency. What are the features? Why it was brought? When it was brought? Why RBI not accepted Bitcoin? Why it brought its own version?
India's digital currencies, CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency.
Mm.
India have not accepted Bitcoin because of the volatility, and it is decentralized, but we cannot track them.
Okay.
So because of that, they might be used in the illegal purposes.
Okay.
Cryptocurrency. It's very hard to track. So India brought its own version because even they wanted to provide decentralized currency, CBDC, where people can use that currency alternative to the bitcoins.
Okay.
And CBDC can be tracked by RBI.
Okay. Fine. This UPI accepted by many countries. Which country first accepted? Which country latest in the latest? Which country? First country.
Bhutan is the first country.
Latest?
Qatar.
Qatar. You know Namibia?
Sir?
Namibia?
Namibia.
Just check on current affairs. See, UPI related questions certainly will come into examinations. Okay? You keep track. NBFC, you know all these things. Nevada. Okay. You know Rural Infrastructure Development Fund? Are you aware about Rural Infrastructure Development Fund?
Yes, sir.
RIDF. Tell me something about that.
So that is mainly dedicated to provide infrastructure services to rural things. So road,
Okay.
because road makes the people to access the urban amenities.
Okay. Who is doing that?
NABARD, sir.
Yeah, great. Okay. What is the relationship between capital adequacy ratio and Basel III norms?
Basel III norms mainly that implemented the CARS, capital adequacy ratio. They only told usually they conduct the committee, they'll conduct the meeting. Over there, their main is to global financial stability. In that area, they told banks to maintain capital adequacy ratio. So capital adequacy ratio determines the financial health of the bank to absorb the financial losses.
Good. Who is going to decide capital adequacy ratio?
In our country, RBI.
What's the capital adequacy ratio right now? What's the percentage?
9%, sir. RBI told 9%, but then according to Basel III norms, it is 8%.
What is difference between money market and capital market?
Money market is the short depth instruments for less than 1 year, whereas capital market greater than 1 year.
Tell me the components of capital market.
Bonds, shares,
Okay.
debentures
Debentures.
greater than 1 year, and even government securities which are greater than 1 year.
Okay. What about external commercial borrowings? Is it capital market or money market?
External commercial borrowings. So
That comes under a capital market only. Okay. Masala bonds, you know?
Sir,
Tell me something about masala bond.
So masala bonds, they are issued in rupee denominated currency.
Okay. Okay.
Like for example.
Why it is there? What is there? What is the purpose? Who is going to release? Where it is released?
So masala bonds are released in foreign countries.
Okay.
Like rupee denominated bonds. So like they have to invest in Indian currency itself and will provide them Indian currency itself. Like masala, they get the name masala because India is rich in species.
Okay. For example, I will ask, if rupee is depreciating, will it impact ECBs? Will impact masala bonds?
Rupee is depreciating. Yes, sir, it will impact.
Tell me how.
So rupee is depreciating, which is nothing but the value of the currency is getting reduced.
Okay.
So if the value of the currency getting reduced, then like we are investing. They are investing in rupees, no sir. So at the end they'll get less amount as compared to before.
No, they have to get. They are getting more, but we are paying. We are paying more.
Okay.
We are paying more. For example, earlier $1 is equal to 80 rupees. Now we have to pay 90 rupees. 10 rupees extra burden for whom? Is it for investors or people who have taken amount? People who have taken amount. They have to pay.
Yes,
Earlier it was 80 rupees. Now it is a 90. I mean, rupee is depreciating. Rupee depreciation directly impacting on this.
yes.
Okay. What is meaning of cash management bills?
Cash management bills. Cash management bills are the short-term instruments. They are issued in order to manage the mismatches in the government in order to raise funds. And the term is less than 41 days.
Okay.